Run. Run.
So hey guys, what's up? We all know about matchsticks, which we have all used to create fires. Today Sinan Bays is going to create a Beyblade using matchsticks. Sinan Bays will also try to fire up the Beyblade while it will spin. To make the Beyblade, first take a bottle cap and make prong cuts like the ones shown in the video. You can use any bottle cap, but make sure it has enough space to place matchsticks. Now, you need some matchsticks. Take some matchsticks and cut them in half, just like in the video. Then place the matchsticks on the bottle cap and create your favorite shape with glue. Sinan tried his best, but we are not completely satisfied with the shape or design, but anyway, nicely done. For the bottom, Sinan is using a heavy bicycle tool like this one. You can also use a bottle cap instead. For the performance tip, you can use the cap of a Fevicol glue tube, like this one. Sinan has already attached a tip to it. Finally, stick these parts together with glue. Your likes and positive comments truly inspire Sinan to create new videos, but this video would mean a lot to us if you hit that subscribe button and the bell icon down below.
Wow, fully fire-ups. Okay, so yeah, the Beyblade is fully burnt out. Okay. Bro, here we have a new dish. Fire Beyblade, guys. Wow.
So, what are you waiting for?